Hello traders, today's top stories. Global investors have continued their positive momentum, and FOMC speeches will impact the markets later. It's Monday, May the 22nd, and here is our New York review. U.S. investors will return to their offices today, having proven to be resilient as they produced gains on Thursday and Friday after experiencing heavy selling earlier last week. There will be a lack of data from the states today. However, speeches from Federal Reserve FOMC members will steer the broad markets. Gross domestic product numbers will come from the states late this week. If Fed rhetoric is hawkish from members Harker and Kashkari today, and growth numbers are strong on Friday, it will firmly establish the potential for an interest rate hike in June from the U.S. Central Bank. Politics will remain a focal point for investors this week, and trading sentiment will be tested thoroughly. Asian indexes traded upwards today, showing risk appetite continues to have momentum, particularly in Japan, where the Nikkei and Topix exchanges have produced steady gains. Trade balance results from Japan were negative when published earlier, but the outcome has not put a damper on sentiment in the short term. The yen has seen a tight range against the US dollar, and the juncture of 112 looks to be important for the currency pair. Tomorrow, the All Industries Activity Report will come from Japan. The FTSE and DAX have opened trading this morning with slight gains. Both indexes have produced more than a 5% climb in the past month. The pound and euro have lost some ground to the US dollar today, but this may be a simple case of profit-taking by investors who have seen both currencies gain substantially in the past week. There will be no major data from Europe today. The Eurogroup meeting is underway in Brussels. Tomorrow, a German business climate report will be issued, and the Bank of England will address Parliament during its inflation hearings. Gold has remained in the higher realms of its short-term trend and has put in slight gains early. The precious metal may be seeing speculative buying based on recent inflation data from Europe, which has shown an increase in producer prices. Gold is near an important mark of $1,256 an ounce and needs to be monitored. U.S. Federal Reserve member Patrick Harker will be speaking at 2 p.m. GMT during a conference in Philadelphia, and investors will pay attention to his rhetoric. Thank you all for watching. Have a wonderful trading day, and we will see you again tomorrow.